Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ahlan wa sahlan bikum fi qanati. Welcome to my YouTube channel Learning Arabic. So today we're going to practice again Arabic dialogue. This is between Ali and Hassan. Okay, I will read the Arabic version first, and after that I will explain the translation and also the grammar rule. Okay, let's start now. Ali first. Assalamualaikum. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Masmuk? Ismi Hasan. Wa anta? Ismi Ali. Min aina anta? Ana min Misra. Wa anta? Ana min السعودية. هل أنت طالب؟ نعم، أنا طالب في معهد اللغة العربية. سررت بلقائك. وأنا أيضا. إلى اللقاء. إلى اللقاء. Okay, now the translation and also the grammar rule. The first, Assalamualaikum, the complete expression actually, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is peace be upon you. And the response, also peace be upon you, God mercy and blessing. And Ali here, this is question word, what, what, ismuka, your name, because Hasan is a male, so we say ismuka. The final sound fatha. We can also say ismuk, masmuka, or masmuk. Okay, for the girl we say masmuki. And Hasan responds ismi. Ismun is name, and the suffix ya. This is means my, so ismi, my name, Hasan. And wa anta, we say anta because male. If female, we say anti, wa anta. And you, ismi Ali, my name is Ali. In Arabic there is no to be, just say ismi Ali. Min aina anta, min from, aina, where, anta, min aina, where are you from? Min aina anta, where are you from? Ana min Misr, I am from Egypt. Actually, when there is a harf jar here, the final sound, it should be kasra, mean Misri. So it should be like this. But because this is exceptional word, it's called mamnu min as-sarf. So it takes fatha instead of kasra. So we say ana min Misra. Wa anta, and you? Ana min as-Saudiyah. I am from Saudiyah. So it's different. Saudiyati. It's kasra, not fatha. Because it's different. Saudiyah here it's follow the normal patterns. So because this is harf jar, so the final sound must be kasra. Ana minas Saudiyati. Or we just say ana minas Saudiyah. Hal anta talibun? Hal anta? Are you a student? Hal anta talibun? Hal are anta you talibun a student? If there is al here, it means the student. Without al and tanwin, it means a student. Naam, yes. Ana talibun, I'm a student. Fi ma'hadi. Fi is harfu jar, so we say ma'hadi. Fi ma'hadi al-lughatil arabiyyah. Ma'had is institute. Al-lughatil arabiyyah, Arabic language. This is the formula of adjective and noun. Al-lughah, this is noun. Arabiyyah is adjective. The form is the same with al, and al-Arabiyyah also with al. The final sound is kasra, and here is also kasra. So just the same noun and adjective. And next, surirtu biliqa'ik. This expression like nice to see you. Wa ana aidan, me too. Ila liqa, farewell expressions. see you, ilan liko, see you, like that. Okay, that's about this dialogue. I hope it's useful for you. Actually, I'm not Arabic teacher, but I'm share with you what I have learned through Arabic teacher. So if you find any mistake, let's say in comment. Okay, that's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.